Lemon poppyseed muffin tops are baked in a shallow 4-inch muffin top pan with a large surface area for a baked sugar crust that can be covered with a sweet lemon coconut drizzle icing. To make 6, start by preparing your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, then scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry ingredients, rub the oil from the zest of a lemon with 115 grams of sugar between your fingertips until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, mix in 5 grams of poppy seeds, 115 grams flour, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix 2 eggs, 75 grams melted butter, 50 grams lemon juice, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients using less than 20 strokes. Then portion the batter into the prepared pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the lemon poppy seed muffin tops the same day they are baked, as is, or with a lemon coconut drizzle icing, which is to dissolve 50 grams of vanilla icing sugar with 5 grams of lemon juice and 10 grams of coconut milk. Then mix until smooth and spread a generous layer over top.